Hello there, what's up people? It's me Jai, watching me on the EXPOUND, and if you are the one who is good at English speaking and you're trying to find a job in that where you can earn good income, then you have come to the right place, because I'm going to say you some of the technique where you can just start earning by speaking English. Yes, you just need to talk English fluently and confidently, and that is enough for you to earn money. I'm saying the truth, so I have just thought some ideas in my mind, and I'm going to tell you all the ideas which I have thought. So without any delay, let's get into the video. The first ever option which I would request you is become a conversation buddy. So normally, if you actually want to talk to some people, it's casual that you will be talking to your friends or you will be talking to your family members. But at the same time, if you're talking with someone else whom you don't know, who just knows you for your work, then you can earn money from them. You can just tell them that I will teach you English just by talking to you, and you just can pay me this much for that. And there are so many freelancing ideas which will just make your mind blow, because these ideas are so simple to do, but then you use it correctly, then you can earn a lot. So if you actually go and approach someone that I can become your conversation buddy and I can make you improve your English skills, then obviously if you are famous, then you will be getting at least 20-30 clients. These are the things which I thought in my mind, and I'm sure that this would work, because nowadays, even though the technologies have been growing so much, I don't think every people have the English speaking people nearby them. Just for example, I am the one who just knows my native language, but I don't know to talk English, but I badly want to talk to. And the thing is that I don't have any other people who can talk with me in English. So if you can approach people in that way, that I can help you in making your English fluent and confident, then absolutely you can gain more money from that. And the second option which I would like to suggest is become a tourist guide. Yes, it is as simple as it is told, to become a tourist guide. And I'm sure that if you're living in a city, you will be having at least 4 to 5 places which is a tourist place. So I think approximately 50 to 100 people will be visiting, not during this quarantine, but during the normal days, at least many people will be visiting that, and absolutely they won't be knowing the language, so that they can go and ask people like what is the route, and what is the speciality about this place, and what is the history about this place. Then you can just go and tell them about it, because since you live there, you might have already known about that. So all you have to do is you just have to go and approach a tour guide and just suggest him to tell you some methods which he is using, some of the techniques or some of the things which can attract people towards you. And all you need to know is English, because most of the people who are coming here, they might not be so good at speaking Hindi or other native language of India. So I think not only English, if you know many other language, it will be beneficial for you. And if you are the person who is from a rural area and not from the city, I would suggest you to move to that place and just know the routes and know more about that place, and you can just translate it to the tourist people. And all you need to know is a little bit of joke, so that you can entertain them as well. Not only just showing them places, you need to entertain them also. I think that is also a part of a tourist guide's job. And the third idea which I thought is about freelancing translator. Yes, I'm sure that there are so many books which requires a translating books which is in a native language of the people, and I think this is one of the best job and an easiest job also which you can get. Since you know the language, you can just use it as a translator. So when you are having a book, or when a book is published, you can just go to a specific book publisher company and you can just ask for a suggestion that you would like to work here, and I think you just have to translate the thing which is already in the book, and I think this is an easiest job ever. And the best part about this work is that you don't have to hard work, or you don't have to have a creative mind. You just have to translate these all things into another language, where these all creative ideas and thoughts which have already been written by other person. And the fourth and the final one which I would like to suggest you is join as a Cambly English tutor. And I think I put it as a fourth option because everybody cannot join and become a tutor here, because only native language speaker or native English speaker can actually teach you or become a tutor. But also if you are a kind of native English speaker, then you can also enroll it in this Cambly English conversation, where you can interact with people and you can just talk to them in English so that their English will improve. And I think this have already made to the first point which I have said, that you can do it in freelancing also, that is having a conversation with unknown people and getting paid for it. This is all I want to tell you guys. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this is helpful, please tell me in the comment that how this was this helpful, was this idea a new one, or is it just like an old one? Please mention it down. If this is helpful, make sure you like this video, subscribe my channel also. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Thank you so much. Until the next video.